also like to make. Pursue ko lang ito for now. So, inadmit nyo na may delay, magsasubmit lang kayo ng documents sa Solgen, pero hindi naman kayo nag-communicate sa committee na binabawi nyo na may irregularity yung birth certificate late registration ni Joseph C. Hindi nyo binawi sa komite na i-endorso nyo, ipakakanselan nyo sa OSG yung birth certificate na ito. You were just substantiating through documents to OSG yung sinabi nyong findings sa committee ito at yung sinabi nyong magiging course of action. So, I am still mystified. How long does it take to do as the authority what you told the committee that you would do? Napaka-importante ng birth certificate na yan, Attorney Ambatali.
Yes, Your Honor, we understand that. And yes, we are confirming na when we endorsed, we are confirming that the same findings are still stands until today.
Exactly. How long does it usually take before the authority makes a finding of irregularity and says it will endorse to OSG for cancellation? How long does it really take before that before you actually endorse?
Yes, Your Honor. It depends po kasi doon sa pag-procure ng mapag-acquire ng ng mga documents to be attached.
So ano yung usual time frame?
Sometimes it's fast, like one month after the investigation.
So
After
why
we
didn't
conduct
the authority endorse this to OSG in January? Alam ng buong bansa ang kasong ito. Alam ng Brooks Point ang kasong ito. Alam ng private sector, they're all concerned. Pati yung mga kababayan natin sa mining sector. Why didn't you do it in January? Why didn't you do it in February? Why did you wait until March? That's this month. Attorney.
Yes. Your Honor. Actually, Your Honor, we have we only completed the acquisition of the relevant documents last the
Even
last
though,
weeks
sir,
of
I'm sorry to interrupt,
yes.
but even if you were completing the documents,
Yes.
as you reiterated just now, nagsa-stand yung findings nyo at inulat sa committee ito na there's irregularity in the late registration of the birth certificate and you would recommend to OSG to cancel that birth certificate. At any point na you found any documents na pasisinungalingan yung sinabi nyo sa komite, you could have told the committee, and more importantly, you would have totally ceased preparing that documentation for OSG. How long did it take you to recommend to OSG cancelahin ang birth certificate ni Alice Guo, for example?
In the case of Alice Goo, I think that